Hello, my name is Miroslav. I'm standing in front of the Czech Republic's Pavilion Expo 2020, and I would like to thank Dubai Machines for the special installation they prepared for us. Let's go inside and check it. We have here a 200-inch backlit ALR screen and a projector with extra shorter lens, also audio system. You can see that the technical conditions in the pavilion are quite challenging, but Dubai Machines sent their inspection team in advance and proposed the most suitable solution. We worked with Hamad, Hafiz and Rashid. The guys were very helpful, communication was flexible, and the job was precise and flawless. So I would definitely recommend Dubai Machines to everyone.